Ngai wewe mwaki umaga mwaki. Mwaki uria cinaga miaki yothe mukwihoki. Mukwihoki. Yeah. Thank you. Mwori wa keyboard wetwo Gideon. Eyo no ngegeria. Ati ndongihota. You cannot. You cannot. You cannot fathom. Yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Yeah? Yeah. So I want to announce this because it is something that needs to be announced now and then. Common sense is not common. Yeah, just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is Fred K. Kapenso. Mono aikarathi oguo akagena mesiria because he is using common sense. Yeah? Yeah? Not like Ngamini. Aikarathi oguo akona miwani yakwa miega. A handsome chairman. Yeah? A nice heart. Yeah? Yeah? Wetigo kuhata wene kiki. A nice shirt. A nice tie. Iromo. Yeah? Wadarito tamere. Tell them when I was young. Tell them. You are handsome. Yeah? And you are there. You are there. This is a talented soul. Fred K. Kapenso. Muhorere irohero wega. Ngamini ndongihura kwa jani uri kumirora kinyorori. You cannot. Ta imejigere hau thini ndimatikaie. Put it inside my bag. Thank you. Nigwenda kwanirira riri. Taranda ni kindu kia mwanya. Ona kiugo ni kiugaga taranda yaku no ikuhingurire njira uria nagire na ki na thamaki. Not for this coward Ngamini. Tuguthi kuhunjira ukayori. I have never seen that. This coward. Tuikarete haria mbere na Apostle Kiro ni hindi turahunjia demo karimani. Ya Ngamini araberia gutanuka karatathi. Ogua. Nida murora ngeci ni Big G. Ya I have never seen that. Aracoka aruta brada arohete na yoyo turasta tutu twake. Aruta araberi kugucururi ogwo. Aroreire na kuri Apostle ali. But for me I could not take any action. This is a talented soul, I think so. Ngeci ni kaundu kega arenda go construct just like Fred K has done. Yeah? Akagucururi ogwo. Akagotha Apostle Kiro na Ritho pa gakemandikiriria ritho-ini ria Apostle. Apostle arahunjia ikarite ogwo. Ni uri emumiriria. Yeah. Looking at Ngamini smiling. Apostle arona kuri agetwara ona tibe. Ashirika othe mararoreria maitho kwi Ngamini. Maracoka maradora because I am the chairman of this church. Yeah. Twainokire twihuritwo ni giconoko kiuru muno. And these are the people that you are telling me to support. They are talented. What kind of talent is this? Stupid you are. Stupid you remain to be. Yeah. Thank you.